ALGO cost could arrive at a likely high of 36 cents toward the finish of 2023. Algorand cost with a potential flood could go as high as $4.36 toward the finish of 2030. The consistently developing cryptospace is home to a horde of computerized resources and conventions. One such a rising convention is Algorand, which has figured out how to lay out his reign in the business. The organization is based on the unadulterated verification of stake agreement instrument. ALGO is a local badge of the stage. The symbolic goes about as an installment passage to pay for expenses inside the organization. Algorand is recorded by the majority of the noticeable trades like Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, Oxtrade, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. ALGO Value with its assets has figured out how to advance into the arrangement of financial backers. Might it be said that you are excited about putting resources into ALGO? Look no further as we bring to you the conceivable value expectations of Algorand for 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Assuming that the group attempts local area driving drives and sees great outcomes from its endeavors around greener NFTs, the further may catalyst from positive social feelings and volumes. Algorand cost expectation for 2023 could go from 18 cents to 36 cents for the year. What is Algorand? The Algorand was established by Sylvie Amakali. The organization mainnet went live in June of 2019. Algorand stage holds the ability to deal with right around 1 million exchanges each day. The organization is one of the perceived public digital currency blockchains. The convention means to convey decentralization and security for the members. Algorand presented the world's first unadulterated verification of stake central blockchain. Their cutting-edge innovation gives a bunch of productive Layer 1 blockchains that offers versatility, security, and inherent protection. The organization's point is to assemble worldwide trust by means of decentralization, to offer an exquisite innovation that drives reception by billions. ALGO Coin Value Expectation 2023. The stage is intended to propose cutting-edge monetary items, conventions, and trade of significant worth. Fundamentally, the organization goes about as an extension among decentralized and customary money. Their future FI item permits clients to make and convey tokens, NFTs, stablecoins, and protections. Notwithstanding this, Algorand wallet is an easy-to-use way for anybody to cooperate with the public organization. The Algorand people group could focus on fortifying the convention as well as the client base. Toward the finish of 2023, the ALGO cost could reach as high as 36 cents. On the other side, negative analysis and FUD could result in the altcoin flipping down to 18 cents. Progressively, a harmony in exchange tensions could land the Algorand cost at 27 cents. ALGO Crypto Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the group behind the stage utilize formative and local area building drives, in the midst of Bitcoin's splitting occasion, heightening unmistakable quality of the altcoin will be enhanced by a conceivable bull run. In such a hopeful situation, the Algorand cost could flood as high as 61 cents toward the finish of 2024. Alternately, factors like administrative clampdowns and stiffer rivalry could check the value projection to the base of 33 cents. All things considered, the ordinary cost could land at 46 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. In the following 3 years, ALGO may be recorded on many trade stages and the cost is expected to strengthen. The people group could draw in clients and advertisers with specific coordinated efforts with different activities and new companies. It could enhance greater security to its foundation and may focus on straightforwardness. Wherefore, ALGO cost is accepted to hit its likely high of 89 cents. On the other side, assuming bears keep on ruling, the token could sink to 51 cents. All in all, obliged by a direct energy, with the absence of invigorating drives, ALGO's cost could settle at 70 cents. ALGO Value Gauge 2026. As per our examiners, Algorand cost expectation for the year 2026 could run between 82 cents to $1.24, and the typical cost of a LGO could be around $1.03. Algorand expectation 2027. As indicated by our experts, ALGO cost for the year 2027 could go between $1.19 to $1.97, and the typical Algorand cost could be around $1.58. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. As indicated by our experts, ALGO cost for the year 2028 could run between $1.68 to $2.60, and the typical Algorand cost could be around $2.06. ALGO Value Expectation 2029. As indicated by our investigators, Algorand cost estimate for the year 2029 could go between $2.13 to $3.59, and the typical ALGO cost could be around $2.81. Algorand value expectation 2030. As per our investigators, ALGO cost expectation for the year 2030 could run between $2.75 to $4.36, and the typical Algorand cost could be around $3.55. Algorand value expectation. The Algorand is by all accounts relentless, with a progression of occasions arranged for send-off. This DEFI-based stage is the most appropriate interest in the ongoing dubious market situation. As per figured out ALGO cost forecast, on the off chance that the organization dispatches updates, for example, liquidity mining and marking, and game producer send-off, the ALGO cost might hit 36 cents toward the finish of 2023. On the other hand, in the event that the organization neglects to execute its arrangement, the cost can flip into a negative snare and plunge to 18 cents. Major examination. The organizer recently filled in as a teacher of software engineering at the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation. He was granted the Turing Grant in 2012 for his commitments to blockchain conventions, digital currencies, and electronic money. After research and acquiring sufficient information, he sent off Algorand. Not long after the send-off in 2019, the organization presented a few significant occasions. Algorand 1.0 mainnet was sent off in June 2019, followed by Algorand 2.0 in November 2019. In the 2.0 update, brilliant agreements were presented, and Layer 1 shrewd agreements implement custom principles and rationale. Authentic market feelings 2019 to 2021. Algorand had started its excursion on 20th June 2019 with a compelling exchanging worth of $2.89. Emphatically, the token began to decline at its underlying phase of the excursion and plunged to $1.43 toward July's end. The irritating negative patterns hauled the cost to 18 cents by September end. Following motions, the year 2019 was finished up at 23 cents. Algorand value kept on exchanging at 21 cents. On a negative note, during January 2020, the cost considerably recuperated to 45 cents toward February's end. Following the decay of the cryptographic money space in the midst of the coronavirus flare-up, ALGO drooped to 12 cents by mid-walk. Later, the token essentially hit 65 cents and guaranteed an opposition level by mid-August. Algorand showed up at 33 cents in December to finish the year 2020, following a negative pattern. ALGO entered the year 2021 with an exchanging worth of 37 cents. The token denoted the yearly highs at $1.71 in the mid of February and plunged down, moving sideways further. After monstrous swings, ALGO cost saw a positive convention toward the finish of July 2021 and recovered a high of $2.37 by late September. The resource stayed rough until mid-December and plunged to $1.34 on 19 December 2021. Is Algorand a wise venture? On the off chance that considered as a drawn-out venture, ALGO could yield better yields. How high will Algorand cost go in 2023? The Algorand cost might actually try to please toward the finish of 2023. Is Algorand confirmation of stake or evidence of work? Algorand deals with the evidence of stake agreement instrument. What might be the conceivable greatest cost of a LGO toward the finish of 2025? As indicated by Algorand cost expectation, the